Welcome back, guys, to Tech Time with T. Today I have a 2008 Honda Pilot, and I will show you how to do oil change real quick. We're going to Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil from Advanced Auto. Yeah, if you have a jack stand, just use this jack and use this jack stand, or if you have a ramp, which I do have, I'm going to drive right out there and will be easy access from the bottom. Hey guys, what you want to do first is pop the hood. What you want to do is take out the oil cap. So when you take out the drain plug, the oil will drain smoother. So it's faster to drain down. It's the oil cap. You have to remove it. That's all you need to do. As you see on the oil cap itself, it actually tell you what's the engine need. It's 5W20 for the oil. All right, that's what it is right here. Usually that's what I have on top of the oil cap. So basically this is the drain plug right here, and normally it's on the passenger side and on the bottom of the oil pan, which is right here. Basically I'm using a 17mm socket, and what you do, just you want to break it first. Hopefully I'm not blocking it. You want to loosen the drain plug. There you go. Nice and easy. Once it comes loose, you want to just use your hand, your fingers to take it out. And once it's loose, you just take it out by your hand, and also make sure you have a drain pan also under it, or you're going to be showering with oil, hot oil right now, believe it or not. And here we go. Yep, it's pretty dark. I think this car does need an oil change. So when you get the drain plug out, I want to make sure the oil is completely drained. That's what I'm waiting for. And once that's completed, you can put the drain plug back on, and then we can pick out the oil filter. You got a Mobile 1 Extended Performance oil filter. Part number is M1-110A. You can see it right here. That's the part number for Mobile 1. As you can see, the oil almost completely drained. So you want to put the plug back on. That's all I'm doing. Just use your hand first. Make sure you go in smoothly. And then you want to use your 17mm socket and tighten it up. We're good. As you can see, the oil filter is right wide open next to the oil pan, and also next to the passenger's wheels. So what you do is just loosen it by just do it counterclockwise. That's what you're doing. Just use by my hands, fine. There we go. It's loose. Make sure you oil pan there too. It's gonna be a lot of drip there. And that was it. A little messy. There we go. Yep, that is the job of doing oil change. You're gonna get a little messy here. Well, the next before you install the oil filter back, you want to put a little bit of oil on a gasket, so it'll be easier to smooth to go in, and it will be snugged. There you go. All you need to do, put a little bit there. Let's go back under the car. Okay, here we go. Well, this is a little smooth here. That's where I'm going back in. And all you do is put the oil filter back in. There you go, nice and easy with your hand. tighten it up a little bit. A little slippery. Make sure you put it in straight. You don't want to strip it either. And that is it. So once you put on the drain plug and put the oil filter back on, now we can use the funnel and pour the new oil back in. It requires 5 quarts, so that's what we're doing. Pour it slowly. Try to make too much mess, because once the engines get hot, you're gonna like to see smoking. Because the oil overfill. So I actually only put a 4.5 quart in there. We're gonna check it first with the dipstick, and then if we need more, we can just add the whole thing. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna check it first. All right. When you put the oil in, make sure you put the oil cap back on. There you go. Twist right in. And we're good. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna back the car from the ramp, so that way the car is actually level, and so we can check the oil. The dipsticks on the left side of on the oil cap. So when you get out the dipstick, you want to clean the dipstick first before you put it back in, so that way you get the accurate measurement. Put it back in, all the way in, and then you just pull it back out just to see. As you can see, you probably need a little more, or you have a little time to make sure the oil actually settles down for me to recheck it again. Alright, you can see the oil was a little low, so we're gonna just top it off. Whole 5 quarts. Just rechecking it. Okay, as you can see, it's kind of perfect right here in between the high and low, which is the 2 line there. That's a low and this is a high, so it's in between, so that's what you want. Perfect. So you want to back it out a little bit, so that way you can see the on the ground, make sure there's no leak. That's what I'm doing, make sure. Very important.
I always bring my car to Tech Time for an oil change. He does a great job for a really great price. Thank you.
Hey guys, thanks for watching Tech Time with T. That was how you do the oil change for 2008 Honda Pilot. Please subscribe, share, and comment. Any special requests? Comment below. Thank you, and have a good one.